What a beautiful day for the first day back.
I know, where did the summer go?
Are you ready to get back into the swing of things?
I have been kind of antsy lately.
I know, but that first day, walking through the doors for the first time,
Who do you sit with? Will anyone say hello?
will you have homework, tests?
And what about lunch? You know we're gluten-free now. Will there be anything to eat?
Will there be cliques? I mean, am I dressed right?
Will the teachers be any good?
Singing?
I think we're way overthinking this. We just need to step out and everything will be just fine. Hey, look, Lori, I see the bus coming.
You're right, it's the New Life Women's Ministry bus.
You thought that we were sending our kids back to school. Nope, we're going to the Women's Ministry Luncheon. And guess what? Ladies, you're coming with us.